Well, good morning, everyone. I'm Supervisor Desmond, representing North County, San Diego, and here to give you the coronavirus update for Thursday, March 19th. The number of total positives that we have today, or as of yesterday in San Diego County, is 80 people that were tested positive with the coronavirus. 67 of those people are San Diego County residents. So it's still an uptick in numbers. It's not dramatic, but it's unfortunate. And we're going to keep you up to date on these as we go along. The other thing is the maximum amount of gatherings now is 10 people. We were asking people to restrict themselves from gatherings over up to 50 people, and now it's down to 10. The county came out yesterday with limitations on child care operators having less than 10 children in those centers. And also the closing of gyms and fitness centers. So you've got an excuse now not to go to the gym. The other thing, one of the questions that we've been getting quite a bit on is gathering, the 10 people gathering, and how that works with work sites and construction sites, and farming, and all the different industries that are out there. And what the position the county is in right now, we are in a modified shelter in place. So we're asking all businesses to let non-essential personnel not to have to come to work, or people to be able to telecommute or things like that. What we're trying to do is lessen the amount of contact that people have with each other, because that's how this virus is spread. And so we're leaving it up right now to the businesses to define who is essential and who is not. It depends on your industry. You know, the person that stocks the shelves now has become very essential if you've been to a grocery store lately. The person who works at the pharmacy is essential also. The person that does payroll may be essential right now. A construction site could have more than 10 people maybe at that construction site. So the sheriff's department is not going to be out there arresting the 11th person if there is one at a gathering, but we do want you to exercise that social distance. So if you are going to have more than 10, or just at your job site that it requires that more than 10 people be in close proximity to each other, keep that social distance of 6 feet away as much as possible. That is what's going to help prevent this virus from spreading. And we're trusting industry to make those decisions and handle that correctly. If we have to, in the future, if the numbers start going up exponentially, then we may have to start putting more restrictions on that. But right now, we're leaving it up to the businesses themselves to make sure that they act appropriately, and I believe most of us are. Thanks for checking in. Thanks for being here. We'll get through this together. And now from the city of Carlsbad, we have the city manager, Scott Chadwick.
Hi there, Scott Chadwick, City Manager, City of Carlsbad. On behalf of Mayor Matt Hall and the entire Carlsbad City Council, we want to stand with our brothers and sisters of the Innovate 78 corridor. This corridor is a fantastic, absolutely amazing addition to the region, and we want to make sure that we stand collectively together through this crisis. The steps that we're all taking, all of us, and the coordination that's occurring along the Innovate 78 region is something truly a model for the region, and we just want to continue to show our support as we stand together. I want to emphasize we will get through this together. So on behalf of our entire team, please stay safe out there, maintain your appropriate social distancing, please wash your hands, and in the event that you feel sick, you should stay home and self-quarantine. Any questions or comments, please contact the county, contact 211, or look at each of our individual websites as important information continues to be updated as quick as the information is made available. So again, stay safe out there. Thanks.